We've been especially pleased with the Onyx 2. It is a very nice design.
It's easy to read. I can read the printout of it easy enough.
It's also very easy to replace the batteries.
I can't emphasize the ease of use compared to any sort of monitoring equipment you might have at home. It's simple. It opens, their finger goes in, they can clearly see if they're getting an accurate reading with that flashing light. I just think it really, in the package size and the quality that's built into it, it can't be beat.
It's a very good piece of equipment.
The accuracy has always been very good with the Nonin.
We feel this is a very strong piece, a scientific piece of equipment that has had a lot of research that clearly has gone into it, and we do see the importance of it, especially as a trend monitor for people at home. It's good to know that if they checked it yesterday, it's going to be reliable tomorrow and across the board and comparable with oximeters they might have it checked against in their clinic visits or in the hospital.
We have patients bring their oximeters in, and we'll correlate to see if they are coming up with the same readings that we are.
When I first received the Nonin, the first thing I did was to go to my doctor's office and check it against their equipment. And of course it checked right on the nose.
I would test my equipment against the National Jewish regular full machine, and I'm always within 1 point of what theirs says.
But that wasn't enough. I went to my rehab and checked it there. And for the first few weeks, I did calibrate it against theirs frequently. It was always right spot on.
So now I know this is reliable and I trust what it tells me.
The durability issue is very important. I have grandchildren and they always like their finger checked.
I don't treat it as well as I should probably.
They are so rugged. I mean, I've taken them up in the mountains and they've been attached to my baby stroller where I carry large quantities of liquid oxygen.
I've done things like walk full marathons.
I throw it in my bag and it's in there with my camera, my wallet, my keys.
And it's on trails with rocks, embedded rocks, loose rocks, big rocks, little rocks, and that oximeter is bouncing all over the cart.
I admit to having dropped it a few times.
It has been drop tested, I don't know how many times.
And when I need it, I drag it out and it's ready to go.
And it gives out perfect information all the time.
So it's good. There's a number of things I like about the Onyx. First off is the size. It's easy, it's portable, and it's lightweight.
The little guy, when it came out, it was like, cool. It's so little, it's really easy for me to keep with me all the time.
It's solid enough that it's something easy to hold on to and manipulate, especially for an older patient who might have arthritic issues as well.
It's great that it's so usable, so accessible just because of its size.
Really, in the package size and the quality that's built into it, it can't be beat.
I love this little guy.